Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another stream. It's quite early here at 10 a.m. Usually I'm a little bit later with my streams, but yeah, I had to change this for today. But yeah, I'm happy I still see a few familiar faces again. Hello, Adrian. Hello, Chuck Hongir. Hello, Gatien. Hello, Nathan. Hello, Dan. Yeah, feels like whole crew is there again. It's good to have you here. I definitely will need you today as well. So I have exactly 58 minutes from now. Then I have to leave. So I think we're just getting started here. I hope you're all good. I hope you're all ready. So let's see what we got for today. As always, we're just making sure that we are currently live today, and also later today Freek has a stream about source diving GitHub Action Watcher. I think that's a new package he built. This could be interesting. I think I'm going to watch this. And also later today Steve is live again, PHP Online, introducing Livewire and Filament. Interesting. Not sure what this one is about. I know he's working on some kind of PHP Online platform. Do you know more about that? I think he's building something like that. And tomorrow we have Jason again, upgrading Shift to level 9 using Shift. Okay, that's pretty cool. And then we have Lucas here. I think that's his first stream on Larastreamers. And this one is in Portuguese. It's called, let me try this. Formas que programando que domina o Laravel faz deploy. Was this good? What do you think? And then Steve again next Tuesday again on PHP Online. Yeah, I think he's working on some kind of platform. Okay, but our goal today is, we want to make Larastan and PHP Stan happy. So what do I mean by that? Um, we have upgraded to level 9 and everything was working except Larastan wasn't happy with our commits. So if we check that out, we can see that finally, just by upgrading to level 9, we have here a bunch of new errors here. It's only 6 here, so maybe it's not too much of a big deal, but yeah, that's what we want to check out today. What do we have to change? Because the only thing we changed here, we were upgrading Larastreamers to level 9, and yeah, then it suddenly didn't work anymore. And yeah, we all know, or I guess we all know, that there have been some changes in level 9 with doc blocks, with generics, specific types for collections. And yeah, I think that's why we received some errors, and that's what we want to check out today. All right, so I'm here in the main branch of Larastreamers. Oop, I think I just accidentally switched. No, let's get back to the main branch. And here we are also using Larastan. Mm, mm, mm. I don't see Larastan here. Wait a minute, where did I switch? Maybe I just don't see it right now. We have, oh, here it is. Okay, we are working with Larastan version 1. And I've also seen that there is now a new version number 2. So let's see what this is about. Do we find some infos here? Only how to install it. But there is, here we have some upgrade information. I'm trying to get there. Hello, Bahadur. Where are you from, my friend? So, upgrading guide for Larastan version number 2. Eloquent collection now requires 2 generic types. So before we're only defining the item. Yeah, now we're defining the key and the item. which in a collection is by default an int. I think so. And then remove configuration, check generics class in non-generic object type. Okay, that's a pretty nice name. I don't think we have used it, but we will see. But it seems that's the only two really changes here. So what I think we do is, let's first try to run it with Larastan version 1 and see what we get here. Because we already know that we get some issues here. Okay, 6 issues. So yeah, I think these are only also the ones which we've seen before. But now let's try to upgrade. Mm, mm, mm. Every time I'm looking for Larastan, I don't find it here. What is wrong with me? Is it here require dev? It should be. Okay, I have no idea why I haven't seen it. Okay, let's upgrade this to version number 2. This way I'm also updating everything else. Yeah, I'm fine with that. Composer updates. I think we're most up to date with most of the things. All right, what's wrong here? GitHub action error. So I've seen some similar issues like that before. I don't know where they come from. I'm pretty sure the way how I fix this is by removing the vendor folder and then running composer update again. Do you have an idea where those issues come from? Because they also look a little bit different, but they're always connected to composer. Yeah, okay, now it seemed it was working. And now let's run this again and let's see what has changed now. So what do we get now? It's taking a little bit longer than before, at least it seems so. Oh wow. So we went now from 6 errors to 57 errors. Oh my god. What's going on here? What's going on here? Yeah, I think we have to use a new version. Excuse me, so there's no way getting back to version 1, but yeah, that's a lot of issues. Okay, I think we're just trying to go through them and see what's going on here. Have you already used the level 9 version with Larastan? Let me know if you have already tried to do this yourself. Okay, first issue, sort streams by date action. The method handle has parameter streams which generic class support collection but does not specify its types, key, and value. And by the way, I think we also have to talk about the level we are using. PHP stand on. Here we have it. I think we're on, yeah, we're level number 8 of 9. And I think I'm fine with 8 for now. We can check out 9 maybe in another stream. But yeah, everything else looks good here. Okay, let's go to the sort streams by date action. Here we go. And I think he was complaining about this one. Let me try to open this up here again. Oh, okay, now it's much faster. Okay, what? We have a parameter streams. We have a parameter streams. Yes, we do. With generic class collection. So I guess this just means we're using collection, and the default collection has generics defined, or a generic, if you say it like that. Button does not specify its types, key, and value. You can turn this off by setting check generic class in your PHP style. Okay, I think that's also the one why we get so many errors, because This was by default false, which we have read in the upgrading guide, but this is now true. So yeah, let's set this first. Let's try to get it back to how it was before working, and then we try to make this work by enabling this. I think I can just use it like this. Let's run this again. Okay, we now went down to 14 errors. Yeah, let's find out what those are about, and then we can talk about the generics for the collections. Then has, oh yeah, I still have the issue with the comments. I haven't checked this out yet. I need to do this. Then has a project 95% of my credit to level 9 Larastan 2 on max. I'm stuck on something still. Okay, but max is pretty cool. Yeah, so you might can help us today. So first issue, we are in the import channel streams command. Parameter number 1, callback of method collection, expect callable int key mixed, closure void given. Okay, let's see what this is about. Import stream, what does it call it? Import channel streams command. Import channel streams command. Import channel streams command. Here we go. All right, number 19. Okay, I think he's talking about this callable. Let's see again. Okay, callable of the method each, yeah, and that's what we're talking about. Expect a callable with an integer and a key, so that's similar to the thing we've learned before, that we now need to specify the key and the value. Okay, but he is complaining about the void. I'm not sure, is he complaining about that we don't return anything? Let's check out this each method. Do we find this one? Or maybe it's easier to find the collection class. Many things, database support collection. Yeah, that's the one, I guess. And now we're searching for each. I think that's the one. Okay, here is where the type is defined. Callable value key mixed. Does this mean we have to return something? Because it mixed can also mean that we don't return something, right? Or does mixed only means that we could return different things, but it's not allowed to be just nothing? Let me just try this, and if we see any issue here, any difference here. No. Is the issue still the same? Callback of method expects callable. Yeah, so this has changed now. It now knows that we're returning a pending. But yeah, I think that's not the thing he was complaining about. I think it's more about the key and the value. Callable int. So does this mean I have to specify two values here? First should be int and second is the key. So where do we get the value here? It's a callable of int and keys. For me, int and t key sounds for me like both are keys. Do you need to specify a second value here? Do you have an idea already, my friends? In the meantime, I'm trying to get it right what he's complaining about. Expect callable int key of mixed. A closure with app models channel given. What does he want from us? Collection int channel. Each expects a callable with an integer and tk. So do I have to specify here for this collection here? What we get back? No, because he already knows that we get back the channel. So, oh yeah, each function also gives the key of the array. So, callable item and key. Okay, so does this mean I can just define a key here, which I don't use? Does this change anything? Expect callable int key. Yeah, we now have mixed here because we haven't defined what this key is, but also if I give it an integer, I don't think it will change. Yeah, I'm also not sure. Maybe it expects us to return something. Yeah, that's what I have already tried, but it also didn't seem to change. It expects a callable. Why is the integer here the first and t key of int or string the second parameters? I think that this sounds strange to me because what I get back in my callable here for each method is the model itself, the channel. Yeah, but we have tried this before already. If it just returns something here, it's just saying here that we're returning here. Expecting mix to be returned, so this should be fine, but I guess void is also fine. Yeah, I guess I'm not sure what this means. Int and tk. So tk is kind of a template for a generic, right? So I'm not sure if we have to define the generic for this collection. Yeah. Or do we? Return dispatch and true. What does this do? Return dispatch and true? What does this even mean, Adrian? What does this do? Dispatch and true? I don't get what you mean. Now we have even more errors. Yeah, he also telling me left side is always true. So we're still trying to figure that out. So I don't think it's about the return type. I think the question I have in my mind is, now with collections in Laravel, we can define what gets in there and what gets out there. And I'm not sure if Laravel has now defined this itself. So let's go back. So this like that. So Laravel has defined that we callable t value and t key. Yeah, so the first thing is the value and the second is the key. So this way it should know that if we pass in here a model, that we get the model back. Callable item key. I didn't thought that we already were struggling with the first issue here. Let's see, what else can we try? Let's see if you got any more ideas here. Can you type in the callback? Interesting. Can I type in the callback? Can I do this like callable? Does this work? How could I type in this? I don't know, Gertchen, let me know. Okay, let's also try this out. Can I say that we don't return something here? All right. We are expecting mixed void given. So yeah, I'm still confused by why does it expect here an integer and then t key, which for me is also, yes, also like a key. What does he expect key and key? Where's our value? Where's our value? By the way, Ken from Larastan said on Twitter that he couldn't join today. I think we would need him pretty much now. Yes, I don't think it's about the return type. We could even say mixed here. Oh yeah, now it's strange because we're saying mixed, but we're not returning anything. But I don't think it's about this. For me, it seems like it's about the key and values. Maybe also the issue is that we don't use the typical collect helper. We're using our channel, then getting auto imported enabled. Yeah, so these are all the channels where we auto import the streams. Interesting. What if we try to debug it passing in callables and parameters like defined and signature and comment? Okay, so you mean like we're passing in here an integer? And then here also an int, which doesn't make sense at all. What does it tell us now? Expects callable in tk mixed closure int void given. also give it a return type, then return true. Yeah, this doesn't work, of course. Guess he will also complain that I don't return anything. Yeah, void. Do you think there's also a difference having this callable here and we have a closure? That's strange. If that doesn't work, then change the key into int string key. Okay, what do we get next? Oh, something changed. Oh, okay. So maybe this was, after all, the only thing missing. Let's try this now again. Okay, but now definitely not working with what we would need here, but let's see. What happens now? All right, yeah. So thanks, Ketchen. So it seems that it was working like this with exactly how it was expecting it to be. 13 errors, so this means this error is gone. Yeah, and this is now another one. So this is what he's expecting. Exactly as it was said here. Int or string and then key of int or string. But this is not what we provide. So what I think we might have to change what we expect here. But I have no idea how we do this. Can we write here some comment above just saying that this is what we want to provide for the for each method? It's interesting for sure. Are callable and closure different? Yeah, so a closure is callable, right? A callable is something that you can call, and the closure is something you can call. I think callable is the type and closure is the thing to use, right? But I'm also not sure if this will change anything. For me, it seems like there's something wrong why he is expecting this. Let's try something else. Let's get back here to how it was before. And instead of this, let's try to collect channel all. We're just working with all the channels for now. What does he see now? Import channel streams, line 18. Let's get rid of those. Yeah, still the same issue. So I thought maybe because we're using the model itself as something was different there, but it doesn't seem this does change anything. So it's the same issue we see here, right? Yeah. Okay, if you don't have any more ideas, I think we have to skip that and move on. Maybe the issue then is what the get returns. Yeah, but we have tried it now without the get, so I also don't think that's the issue. But yeah, could be. If tools don't help me, I stop using them. Yeah, this is of course something tricky, a little bit annoying. We're trying to make it work just for PHP stand, just for Larastan to be happy. And yeah, we can question how beneficial this is to us, especially with this kind of level of settings, and because we're mostly trying to make PHP stand happy here and Larastan. So yeah, we can definitely discuss this. But yeah, I also haven't used Larastan and PHP stand in other projects so far, so I'm still experimenting here. I think closure is always an anonymous function, right? Callable can receive a normal function. This could be it. This could be what it means, but I also don't see how this can help us now. Okay, I think we just move on here. Let's see about the next one. I'm pretty sure we're getting a few of those now, so. And what's wrong here with PHP CS? What is he complaining about? Oh, it does not exist. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, I think that's a change because the language folder was now placed in a new directory. But have we defined this somewhere? I don't think that we have defined. Let's see. Let's see if we have this defined somewhere. Oh yeah, we have. Indeed. This is not the resource path anymore. I think that's now the app path. And then let's also move this up now. I think now you should be happy. Seems like he's trying this in the background automatically. All right, but back to the thing we actually want to do. What's the second issue we have? It seems like it's pretty much the same one. Expect callable in string closure. Yeah. Okay, it's the same. It's the same. Same one. What about this one? Illuminate support collection and expect callable in key. Yeah, it's pretty much the same. I think all of the issues are the same. Oh my god, yeah. This could be nice because if we know how to fix one of them, we can fix all of them. But it could also be pretty bad if we can't fix all of them. Okay, what about this one? That's another one. Tweet stream is live job. Tweet stream is live job. I always close it and then I don't know which line it was about. 34. Parameter number 1. Value of stringable when, which we use. Oh, that's the wrong one. That's the one. Line 30. Yeah, this. When expects bool string null given. Okay, this should be easier to fix. What we are checking here? We are checking here if we have a string. Yeah, it's a string or null. I think we could just change this to bool. Do we have to use the parentheses? Yeah, I have to. I think this should fix it because we're returning here string or null, and this way we're always going to return true or false. So we have 14 issues now. Can we fix one of them? Yeah, we did. Okay, that's good. And I've seen a similar one here for tweet stream is upcoming. Tweet stream is upcoming. 34. bool. Here we go. Let's run this again. 12 errors. Okay, better. At least we could fix something. Do we have anything else here? Collection. No, I think that's the same. No, I think all the others are the same. Have you tried to type in the returning type as closure? Like function. But this would mean that we return a closure here, but we are actually not returning a closure. I don't think this will do anything, but let's give it a try. Anonymous function should return closure, but return statement is missing. Yeah, okay, so now we have a new issue introduced because we're saying it's a closure, but we don't return anything. Yeah, so pretty sure this is not it. I feel like we have somehow to tell here that we have a collection and that we're providing the channel. And not any int, not any string, but I have no idea how we can do this. Just base path. Let's get back here. Oh yeah, you're right. App is probably the app folder. Seems we have those here. Okay, that's probably why we got those issues here. So I hope this will be fixed now. Thanks for the hint. Maybe you need to fix the return definition from the get method. Oh, come on. What's going on here? I don't want to see this anymore. Yeah, this was the one from before. We changed this. Let me see. Is there a cached version of this? No, it's not. Okay, I hope this should be fixed now. Oh, wait, yeah. I'm pretty sure you're right. We have introduced a bug here. Okay. We haven't seen. Our tests are not telling that we introduced a bug, but yeah, Twitter handle. Because this means this is now going to be a Boolean and we're going to use it here, right? Let's see what we're doing. We're checking if the stream has a channel, and if it has a channel, if it has a Twitter handle. Then we're storing it here. So when it has a Twitter handle, then we are returning by with the Twitter handle. So yeah, it could be that now this is going to be a Boolean and now this is wrong. But why don't we see this inside our tests? Tweet we have a test for that? Feature comments, tweet about upcoming street. It adds Twitter handle to stream. A new stream by. Could it be that it's still working? Oh, that's the job. Tweet stream is upcoming job. And what did we test here? We did test the comment. Oh, that's interesting. Let's see what we're actually testing. It adds Twitter handle to stream connected to channel. So here we are providing the Twitter channel to the channel, or the handle, the channel name to the channel. And then we're making sure. Yeah, then we're running tweet about upcoming stream comments. But here we're dispatching job. Here we're dispatching the job, and here we are then actually running the tweet method. So by default, it's just an empty space. But if this is given, actually, I'm not sure if it seems that this is still working. It's interesting. Let's dump this out here. Twitter handle. And let's run the last test again. Okay, it seems we still get the string. Why do we get the string? Could it be that the thing we are returning here is a Boolean, but this variable still holds a string? Is this possible? Which PHP Storm inspection do you mean, Adrian? Maybe you're not testing if the string contains the handle. Oh, will probably work because you do it after the setting of the variable. Yeah, I think so. It will only break when bool is placed before. Yeah, I think that's the thing. If we would have placed this boolean here before, then of course the Twitter handle would be a boolean. You can also try this out, and now we should see an issue because this returns true. But since we only specifying that what is being returned here from the when method is a boolean, I think we're fine. Yeah, but good point. We easily could have missed it. But yeah, again, I'm glad we're having tests, and I'm sorry that I didn't believe in my tests, but yeah, they were indeed true. We'll only bring, yeah. Good point, good point. Glad that we tested this. And yeah, what do we do about the other stuff here? Let's give it a look one more time. One last time, I'm going to try this. I also only have 15 minutes left, so here maybe we can't fix this. Import channel streams comment. That was the one, right? import channel streams comment. So again, just to make sure that it's not about the get here, I'm just using the global collect method. Nope, the one from Laravel, and we're going to passing in all the channels. We've done this before, let's do this again. And this way we're making sure it's not about how we get our channels, because that's the typical way of using a collection. Import channel streams comment, and that's the same. The method each, this method here, expects a callable with int tk of string of integer and string mixed. Closure void given. Then again, let's check out our each method here. And here the parameter is tValue and tKey. So maybe I'm here in the wrong each method. Collection traits enumerates values. I think it should be the right one. So, but this is not what we're actually seeing here, right? Because here we're expecting callable with int and tKey. And that's not what we have defined here. Do I even find this somewhere? Callable int tk tKey. What's this for keys? Get the keys of a collection. Here we have each method, but again it's tValue and tKey. Yeah, like we would expect it. I think I have no idea. No. I have no idea how we fix this and why we get int and tKey here. Support collection each. Why does it even say that? Why does it even say that? Nominate support collection. Okay, this is defined only for keys. So we don't even find this for something else. Then again, if we check out the each method, which we're actually using, tValue tKey. So something is really strange here. Something is really strange here. So we don't know where this comes from. Yeah, okay. I think we are lost here. We can't fix this. Let me see if you have any last thoughts here. Alexei is here. Variable will contain string and result of bool. Cast is only used for the condition, but it does not change the variable, of course. Okay, this was about the issue we thought we might have, but we don't have. Yeah, thanks for clearing this up. Look at issue. Oh, did we run into a good issue again? 130? No. 1130. Okay. false positive on level 9 collections with each map flat map closure signature. Using each flat map always fail with the following error. Oh yeah, that's exactly what we have. Could it be the recently fixed? No, we just upgraded, so I don't think. We have a passing test. So with debug option, no errors. So it has to be something wrong in my cache. After running PHP stand, click, error is gone. Wait, what? This was only a cache error? No way. Cache cleared. No. With debug option, no error. Okay, let's also try this. Debug. We also have errors, also with debug. Callable int key. Okay, did I get that wrong? Level used 5. With debug option, no errors. So it has to be something wrong in my cache. After running PHP stand, clear cache result, cache error is gone. I never suspected cache issue because according to PHP stand documentation, composer log is part of the cache key. Okay, everything is fine now for him. So he don't see this issue anymore, but we do. Let's also see this one here. Each was recently fixed. Try upgrading to... Oh, this was on the framework. Okay, let's see what version of the framework we are using. By the way, what's the fastest way to check what version of the framework we are using? I always go to the composer log file. Yeah, 9.1. So we're using the latest one, it seems. Let's also try again composer update. We have already done this, but out of any other ideas now. Yeah, nothing was changed here. And we still are going to see our errors. Yes, we do. Yeah, so this didn't help us. But it's good to see that other people are facing this kind of issue as well. And it seems that it is an issue and not connected to our code and how we do stuff. Which one was it here? We have a passing test for a cert type collection int each. Yeah, so that's what we've tried before. Let's try it one more time. Pretty sure it's not working, but type hint at our channel. Then we have a key. And then we have void here. Yeah, like what they have inside their tests. Import channel streams comment. Yeah, so it must be some kind of issue. I'm not sure if there are any other caches we can try to clear, but that's a good point. Could also be something they're working on. Yeah, maybe. I remember Ken was also telling me on Twitter that there's one issue. No, he just said he wasn't able to join, and if we have some issues, we can reach out to him. Yeah, okay, so Ken, we are going to reach out to you. I have no idea how we fix this. Maybe I'm going to add some info here as well. Just to be sure. But yeah, okay, this means we couldn't fix this today. Okay, I think that's the first time that we couldn't do what we actually wanted to do. But yeah, that's how coding is. Sometimes we run into those strange issues, and this is definitely a strange one. I thought it was about us, but now I don't think anymore that it's about us. I think there is an issue, maybe some kind of caching with Larastan itself. So we're going to reach out for help here and see if we can fix this. And yeah, hopefully later today or another time I can show you what the issue was. All right, with that being said, sorry we couldn't fix it today. We're going to fix it soon. But yeah, thanks for joining again, for being part of this stream today. I'm going to keep you updated. And as always, please like this video down somewhere here. Like it, click it, subscribe to the channel. This will help me to do more streaming and spend more time, because YouTube will then help me share the videos better the more likes they have, which is good for me and for everybody. And yeah, also let me know what you'd like to see me streaming about as well. If there are any other topics you would like to see me streaming, please use the comments as always to reach out to me, or on Twitter at Christoph Rumpel in one word together. Yeah, with that being said, I wish you all a great rest of the week. Have a great day. See you the next time, and thank you all for joining again. See you.